So, hello everyone. My name is Yash Bharadwaj, and currently I'm pursuing my BTech degree from lovely Professor University. And today I'm here to explain you about Linglish and one question we will do in that, and that is counting the number of notes in a linked list. So, first of all, what is a linked list? So, linked list is a non-primitive linear type of data structure which stores elements just like stack and queue. So linked list, what makes linked list special is that it has node which contains the value and the pointer which points to the next node of the list. So here, so for explaining the linked list, so let's take an example. Here we have three elements. Let's say one, two, three, and four. So for every element, we will So in linked list, there are elements, and so first there are nodes. So node contains the value and the pointer which points to the next node. So the pointer points to the so here the pointer points to the address of the next node, and similarly so this node will have a value and point to the next node, that is 3, and the 3 will point to the fourth node. So and the fourth node will have a value of 4, and it will point to null. It will point to none. Now, in a linked list, we have a head, we have a head, and head is used to used to indicate that where the linked list has started from. And we also have just like tail, we also have, so just like head, we also have tail. So head and tail, head indicates the starting of a node and the tail indicates the ending of a node. So for the best example we can take to explain linked list is that for a train. So in a train we have a engine as it is the head of the train, and we have bogies or compartment, we can say, which are connected to the next compartments of every day, and the last compartment we can say it is the tail of the train. So here engine is connected to the next compartment, and then the next compartment is connected to the next compartment, and so on till the last compartment of the train. So linked lists are majorly used as we can say in and we play a song in a phone, then we can move to the next song and we can move to the previous song. Now let's come to the coding part in which we will learn how to make a linked list in Python. So first let's make a new Python file and we will name it linked list. Now in linked list, first we know that it consists of node. So we will first make a class node, and now we will define the init function. Now, in the node, we would have value and the pointer. So we will take a parameter as value, and now after the we will enter self dot value is equal to value, and the pointer will be self dot next is equal to none for now, and later we will use it. And now after making the node, we will now make a class for linked list class linked list. Now in this we will define the init function. In this, as I have told to you that it contains self and head. So we will take self dot head is equal to none for now, as we have not stored any element. We are just taking the linked list, and self dot tail is equal to none. Some people do not use self dot tail, but I prefer to use self dot tail. So yes, we have created a linked list. Now in this we will define other methods like appending, prepending, and removing, deleting, and so on to for a linked list. So now let's come to our question. That was our question. So the question was to find the number of nodes in a linked list. So for to find the number of nodes, we will first append. So like we had made at the linked list. So now first we will append our values. Say let's we have appended 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here we have appended numbers till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we need to find the number of nodes in this. So we can see that our node consists of the value and the pointer. So this is our one node, this is our second node, this is our third node, and this we can say it is pointing to null. So this is our fifth node. So we have five in nodes here, and so to get this value 5, so we need to make a first a temporary node which will point towards the head. So here is our temporary node, and this in this. So first we will iterate through the to the rest of the node by the while loop. So here so by the while loop we will iterate to the next node, and by iterating it we will first make an variable of sum which will be initially be equal to 0, and after each iteration we will add one now number to the sum. So after one iteration we have added 1, and the second 2, then the third 3, then 4, then 5. So here we can get our number of nodes as 5. So now let's come to the coding part of the question. So first we need to append the elements in our linked list. So first we define a function append, in which it takes self and value as parameter. And now after this we will make a new node with the variable. So with the new value. Now if the if self first if self dot head is none, then we will make self dot head is equal to tail, sorry, new node, and self dot tail is equal to new node. So in this we have checked that if the self dot head is none, that is if the linked list is empty, then the new node will be uh, will be the new head and the new tail. Now after this, if there is already an element in the linked list, then self dot tail is equal to new node. Sorry, self dot tail dot next is equal to new node, and self dot tail is equal to new node. And now we will return, we will not return anything. So in this we have done that the we all if we already have an element in the list, so the tail of the list, that is the last element which points to the none, which points to the null. So in that the self dot next would be, so for the element at the last of the pointer of the element of the last would be the new node, and the self dot tail would become the new node. So by this we can append the new value. So let's try this. So first we will make a linked list. Now we have made a linked list. Now we will append one, two. Here we will append 3 and 4 and 5, and we will remove this. So we have appended this. Now we will print our linked list. So you can see we have printed our appended our list till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now for checking the number of nodes in our linked list, so we will define a new function, new method, that is number nodes, sorry, node number, in which we'll take a parameter of self. Now in this we will make a temporary node. We will assign it to the self of head, self dot head, that is head of the linked list. And now we will make a variable called count and assign it 0 for now. And now first we will make our first iteration, that if self dot head is none, that is the linked list is empty, then return 0. And else if there is something, then uh, while temp node dot next is not none, Then temp node is equal to temp node dot next, and we will count. We'll increase the counting in the variable count, and we will return count. So in this we have done that first we have defined a temporary node which points to the self head and a variable which is 0, and first we have checked that if the self dot head is none, then we will return 0, and else if there is a there are values in the linked list, then we will iterate through each value in the linked list till the temporary node, the pointer of the temporary node has not become none, and after that we will assign the temporary node as temporary node dot next, and by doing this we will add numbers to it. So now let's run this code. So now we will print link dot node number. So as we can see, we are getting 4 here. So we need to get 5. So it is saying that the first node we have taken as 0, and then 1, then 2, then 3, and the fifth node we have taken as 4. So to solve this problem, we are giving the count value as 1, and by doing this we can get our answer as 5, and so on. So this is it for the video, and if you like the video, then thank you.